Good day each one of you, especially to you, Ma'am Cynthia. I am Joros P. Moreno. You can call me Ross. I am 20 years old, turning 21 this coming August. And I live in Gimbasa Street, Cebu City, near Rasia sa Sipadilla Street, Cebu City. And I have no province to go to, only here in Cebu. And, CTU is one of my dream school. Aside na kanang walay tuition, ganahan ko na daghan siyag mga opportunities na moabot, which is pariharon nga nakagrab kog opportunity nagikan sa CTU, which is usa ko sa napili nga scholar sa Chubby Chubby company. And at the same time nag-work ko, I insert here lang some picture. We have a group of students na scholar pod, which is last time I shared with you, which is nakuan mig outreach program. I insert here as well. And then I choose this course, which is BSHM or Hospitality Management. Based sa akong ability na nako ron, which is fit siya, ganahan sad ko na mo explore sa environment towards mga opportunity nga naa sa kanini course. And kay baw ko nga daghan og job opportunities diri just kanina course, and ganahan ko na maka-experience o memorable, which is for the guests, and ganahan ko na maka-contribute sa ilang mga satisfaction. And this Joros nangandoy nga one of the kanang makalarga, which is maka-travel and maabot sa kanang punto nga makakuan o cruise ship maabot. That's all. Thank you for listening, guys.